In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $9,200 just in 15 days on Facebook, just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. For beginners, I will share with you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can start promoting your affiliate links on Facebook to earn commission, and so much more. I will share with you new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission like this. Okay, so I made this commission just in 15 days, so it's almost 2 weeks from the first day of April until the day 15 of April. I made $9,200. Okay, so this is my affiliate account dashboard. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, let me show you. Just go to Google. So first you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy, okay? So what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page on Fiverr like this and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay? Like this. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission and you can make really a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. As you can see, the sign up process is super easy, will take just few minutes. So after you finish, this will be your dashboard account, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so you have this Fiverr affiliate, this will be your dashboard. You have marketing tools, report, payment, post back, affiliate, sub affiliate, and commission plan, affiliate store, and that's it. Okay, it's super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Facebook to earn commission. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy from your affiliate link. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate service that I'm promoting on Facebook. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, click on the search for Simpson. Okay, search for this service. Search for Simpson portrait. Okay, like this. And here you go. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So let me see if we can find a good one. So like this one has a lot of reviews, this one also has a lot of reviews. Let's check this one. Let me see. This one are really looking good. Like this one is really looking good, but let's see if we can find another seller who is providing this service good. Okay, this one also looking really good, as you can see. Okay, it's really amazing. So I will choose, I just need to choose good seller. You need to choose a good seller. Okay, So I will choose this one. Okay, this one has 5 star, a lot of reviews, and this service is just for $5. A lot of people can buy this service. Okay, it's a good price. So I will click on this seller service like this. You will be directly to his Fiverr profile page like this, as you can see. What you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link like this. Okay, copy the seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this, click over here, and you have a dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have report, you have payment. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. It's really super easy, guys. You guys all have Facebook account, okay? Open your Facebook account like this. Go to your Facebook homepage. Click on the search, okay? Click on the search. Search for Simpson. Simpson like this. Okay, click on the search. You have filters. Okay, you have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. Okay, we need Facebook groups. Here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you need to join. Okay, they are all for free. Click on join, and join all those groups. Okay, so let's check one of those groups. Let's check this one, for example. Let me see this one. If we scroll down, you will find a lot of people here. So first I need to join this group. So this group is private group. Okay, let me see public groups. Okay, those groups are private, but you can click on join. Okay, like this. Let me see if we can find public group like this one. Simpson, like this one. This one is really good. This one is public group. Okay, I can use this one. Here you go, as you can see. So scroll down. So you will find a lot of people here who love Simpson cartoon. Okay, those people really love, they are fan of Simpson cartoon. Okay, so that's why they are created this group, and they are sharing here maybe some moment of this Simpson cartoon, some pictures, and so on. So what you will do, you will talk with those people who are interested in this Simpson uh, cartoon. What you will do, like this one, as you can see. So what you will do, let's for example, this person here, he will click on his name like this, and I will click on message. Okay, and I will send a friendly message to this person with my affiliate link. Okay, so how we can create a friendly and professional message. So what you will do, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Okay, search for ChatGPT. Sign up by using your email address. This AI is really super powerful, guys, and will help you to talk and create a professional message that you will send to your customers on Facebook. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. So just you can use free version. I'm just using the free version. Okay, and ask ChatGPT create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to convince them to buy Simpson cartoon portrait service, to turn their pictures into Simpson cartoon portrait from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. ChatGPT will create a professional and friendly message that you can use. Okay. Hey there, Simpson fans. Are you looking to add a touch of fun and nostalgia to your photos? It's really good. Okay, look no further. I have recently come across an amazing Simpson cartoon portrait service that transforms your pictures into vibrant Simpson style artwork. It's a really good, friendly, and professional message, and here. So why wait? Head over to, you will put your affiliate link here, and that's it. So you will copy this message, you will go back to this Simpson Facebook group, click over here and put this message here like this. I will delete this part, and here you go. Scroll down so you can find where you can put your affiliate link here. I need to put my affiliate link here. Okay, you need to put your affiliate link here. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay, to this home page like this, and copy your affiliate link from here. So for me guys, I have old Fiverr affiliate account, that's why you can see this one, Fiverr CPA old plan. Okay, so for you, if you have a new Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, but you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same. Okay, so this affiliate link is too much long, we need to make it short. So I always like to use this website. This website make long links short and you can use it for free. I will just click over here and I will put my Fiverr affiliate link here like this. I will copy my affiliate link from here and I will go back to Facebook group, and I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, like this, super easy. And here you go, click over here on send and your message will be sent to this person. Okay, so this person is watching Simpson cartoon. Okay, so this person can be interested to turn his picture into a Simpson portrait. Okay, to turn his picture like this, because those people, they love this cartoon. Okay, they are watching this cartoon and they are loving this cartoon movie, and that's why. And almost I think almost like people from USA, they are the big fans of this cartoon, of this movie cartoon. Okay, so what you will do, you will just send a professional message like this one. As you can see, your affiliate link will be sent like this to this person. If this person is interested to turn his picture into Simpson cartoon, he will click on your affiliate link, for example like this. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. He will click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. He will see this seller has a lot of reviews, even this seller has here some examples. So he is providing good service. You can even click on this picture, okay, and you can send this picture as an example to your customers on Facebook group. Double click and you can click on save image. Let me show you. You can click on save image like this, okay, and go back to Facebook, okay, and you can also click over here and you can send this picture as an example to those people, so they can check it, okay, to make sure, like this, and you can click on send and you can send this picture, okay. So this seller can, this person can check this picture and see that this seller can really turn his picture into Simpson cartoon. And that's it, guys. That's how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link, and that's how you can earn commission. Those people love Simpson cartoon, and a lot of people will be interested to turn their pictures into Simpson cartoon. Okay, and this seller can help those people turn their pictures into Simpson cartoon. Okay, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using. You can find a lot of Facebook groups. You can get so much traffic. You can find a lot of customers who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. You just need to convince those people and you need to learn how you can sell, how you can convince people to buy those services from your affiliate link, and you can make so much money with affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.